In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Bluehost hosting. This is a crucial process to ensure that your website remains active and online without any interruptions. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure everything's done seamlessly. First, we need to log in to your Bluehost account manager. Open your preferred web browser and go directly to the Bluehost official website. Once there, you'll find a login button at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking it will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your login credentials. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry. There is an option to reset it securely so you can gain access to your account without any delays. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard of your account. Now, focus your attention on the left sidebar of this page. Here, you'll see various options designed to help you manage different aspects of your hosting account. Look for and click on the Renewal Center link. The Renewal Center is your one-stop shop to manage, review, and extend the subscriptions associated with your account. By clicking into the Renewal Center, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all your active subscriptions. These are your currently running services under Bluehost, neatly organized for your convenience. Glance through the list until you spot your hosting plan. This section is critical since it ensures that the hosting plan you're interested in renewing is the one you're selecting. Once you've identified your hosting plan in the list, look carefully toward the left of the screen, and you'll notice a checkbox located next to your selected plan. Go ahead and tick this checkbox. This action communicates to the system that this is the specific hosting package you intend to renew. Ensuring this checkbox is selected is absolutely essential for initiating the renewal of your chosen plan. Now that you've selected your plan, it's time to finalize the renewal process. Direct your attention to the Renew Now button and give it a click. This initiates the renewal, ensuring your hosting plan remains active without interruption. After clicking, follow any additional instructions that may pop up to confirm the renewal. You might also be taken to a payment page where you can securely handle any billing information necessary to complete the process. Congratulations! You've successfully renewed your Bluehost hosting plan, and your website should remain online seamlessly. Remember, staying on top of your hosting renewal is crucial to avoid any unplanned downtime. Double-check your email for a confirmation message, which acts as a receipt for your records. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this one.